Okay, we got another Z-Man bike here. This is a 77 KZ1000A. The bike is nice. It's got 14,000 miles. I think it's going to need going through the brakes, probably go through the carbs. The paint's nice. I noticed that we have another one of these boots here that's ripped. That kind of happens. We're going to try to come up with a set of grips for it. The chrome is nice. The motor is nice. We're going to clean this up with S100 probably tomorrow if it doesn't snow. So what we're going to do is we were provided another bike that had the wrong bar on the back. So we're going to take this off and put the short bar that's on the LTD that we have and put it on here. Now just by looking at the bike, we have a set of pipes over here. Now Z-Man provided us with one side with a hanger on it, and as you can see, it's got writing on it, KH1 KZ1000A. Okay, so we're going to have matching pipes on there. So here's another one that I had, and it also has writing on it. It's nice, no road rash. So we're going to put this one on here that I had. It's got some pitting on it, but it's not the end of the world, and there's no road rash, and I don't think this pipe has much time on it. So we're fortunate enough that if you come to this side of this motorcycle here, you'll see the custom exhaust pipes on it right here, and it just so happens someone left the hanger alone. So we're going to use this hanger on the left side pipe. We're lucky. Then, as you can see on these pipes right here, they have, this is part of the pipe. This is detachable, as well as this is detachable. This is the crossover pipe, and this is the for number 2 and 3 pipes are detachable on this. So we're lucky. And also here, Johnny's, we never throw anything away. But we have the pipes already on this bike. So we can use these pipes off this on this exhaust here. What has happened is someone's cut. This is the thing to do when in the 70s or early 80s. So they cut it off right here and put these little ones on. So we're going to get rid of all that. Not that it's a big deal, but if you come over to this side of the motorcycle, this is a really cool keychain. You'll like this. Coke is it. Matches the paint. I love it. Okay, we're going to pull the seat up here. Now, I believe this seat cover, this is 76, but that's not the end of the world. So it's kind of a 76 seat on it. They could be changed easy, but I'm just telling you. Okay, here's this is the book. Missing the cover, but anyway, got the tool tray. This is the boot that goes over the master cylinder. And we're going to get rid of this. We have the tool tray. And also, we have the battery hold down. We are missing what they call the airbox silencer. And it screws into here. It screws into here and goes on here with a clamp. I imagine we could probably come up with one of those. And of course, I think we can come up with a battery. So this is all looking good. This is all looking good. I don't know why the fuel valve has been turned. And you can see this is the lines have been disconnected and everything. We'll probably take the crash bars off. But all in all, except for the grips, pulling off the accessories, we're going to try to come up with a chain guard somewhere. The tires are actually okay. I think we're going to run the tires unless we see they're dry rotted, and they appear to be structurally sound from here. Well, we'll have to get it inside with lots of light, and we'll check for weather cracking. But outside of that, this is a nice motorcycle, and we would be entertaining selling this as is. The gas tank is gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous inside. This is nice. So we would entertain selling it as is before we start getting into it. But just wanted to show you the bike. Very nice, and I hope you like it too. Okay, thanks a lot.